So here we have two Porsche 996 brake pedal switches. One of them is faulty. This one here is faulty, removed from the car. It consistently showed that the brake was actuated. It still worked in the fact that the brake lights came on when the brakes were pressed, but in terms of communicating to the ABS system, it was communicating that the brakes were permanently pressed. So this one is the faulty one, and you can see, and this is the genuine one that came in this Porsche packaging here, and you can see that if we compare them like for like, that the non-genuine one is much larger, and in fact physically it's different, because if you press it down it kind of self-adjusts, so it's adjustable, whereas this one, the genuine one, it's fixed. It's a fixed throw, and it doesn't change. So you see on the old one I've numbered the pins because they weren't numbered, but they were numbered on the socket in the car, so I'll just transfer those numbers across. So pin number 3 in terms of the harness doesn't go anywhere, so you don't necessarily check that one, and pin number 1 is always used. So if we go to pin number 1 and go to pin number 4, we can see what the behaviour is in terms of resistance in order to test it. So the behaviour is when the switch is not pressed. Not pressed is when the brake is not pressed, and so when we press the switch, nothing happens. So 1 and 4, nothing happens when we press the switch. I believe that should complete the circuit, and we'll be able to confirm that with the new one. So if we just take this orientation on the T, we just connect this up on the same like for like, and on the T section, see the T there, that little T insert there, yeah, there. You can see that when not pressed there is no circuit. When pressed, you complete the circuit. No circuit, complete the circuit. Okay, so that 1 and 4 was the switch that was working with the ABS or traction control system, so that it can understand what was going on. Okay, if we just go back to the old switch again, if we do 1 and 2 this time, and we go to 1 and 2, this section of the switch was working, as I remember, and we can see that there's a circuit there, and when I press the switch, the circuit gets broken. So that part of the switch is working. And again, before installing that one and the other one, so it's the T, it's the opposite ends of the flat end of the T, this one here, so we go this one, and this one, we can just check the behaviour is the same, so it's open, there's a circuit, press it, it breaks the circuit, open, breaks the circuit, so that's that. So in terms of this new one as well, it does have the pins on it, so you can just about see there's number 4 there, there's number 2 there, and number 1 there, number 3 there. So it's higher quality product, that one. So I'm hoping by installing that, that will cover all the issues that I've got, and the car will perform as expected. So there you go, that's how to test a 996 brake switch to see if it's faulty.